Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you're all keeping well. So everybody, in today's video I'm so excited to be sitting down and filming this video because it's a video that I meant to film a while ago, but I couldn't because of the whole situation, lockdown and everything. Yeah, but I'm so happy that I have this opportunity right about now to film this video and show you guys what kind of goodies I have picked for today's video. Before I begin to show you anything, I just want to take this moment to say thank you so much to each and every one of you guys who supports my channel. It really does mean a lot. It does mean a lot. You guys subscribe to my channel, you watch my videos, you share, you like and all that good stuff. Every single thing that you do does contribute towards my channel, and I do appreciate you more than so thank you so much. All right, in today's video I put together a few products that I'm going to be giving to one of you guys, and I hope whoever is going to win is going to like the goodies. And like I said in my first giveaway, that if you don't win in this one, please don't feel bad. There will be more future giveaways to come. And yeah, so let's get into the giveaway details before I show you the product. Now this giveaway is open from today as you are watching this video, which is of course Monday. It is June 8th, and I am going to be announcing the winner on June 15. So you do have 1 week to enter the giveaway, and the rules are pretty much simple. All you have to do is follow me on my YouTube channel right here, and also follow my Instagram. I'm going to have my Insta handle as well down below, so you can follow me there if you are not yet already following me. And if you are already following me on both platforms, then you are automatically already in the giveaway. So yeah, all you have to do is leave a comment down below. Just say hello, say something. Hello, it's more than enough, so that when I do the giveaway pick up winner, it's easy that way. So definitely write something in the comment for that. All right, now on to the product. So the first product I'm going to show you, oh, and by the way, these products I've already some of them I've already tested them, I've already used them. You guys may have seen them already if you follow me on my channel. Of course, you may have seen me already use some of these goodies because it's a product that I have used myself, I've tested myself, and I do like the performance. So yeah, this is why I went ahead and bought them again, so that I can actually do it for a giveaway. So the first product that I'm going to be giving away is the brushes. Now you guys know how much I love Morphe brushes. I do use their brushes a lot. The one that you see behind there, they are all Morphe brushes. Well, the majority of them. I do have some right in front of me here. They're all Morphe, but the one I'm going to be giving away is this set right here. Now this is how this set looks like. It's called I Obsessed, and in this one here you are getting 12 brushes, including this bag here. So I already have mine. I'll quickly show you side by side. Now this is of course mine. I've already used them and I have them somewhere, but I'm not going to open these ones, like open them, but I'll quickly just show you how they are packaged. So they are packaged like that. You get them all nicely packaged in here. Mine have already been used, trust me, and I'm going to link that video that I actually tested mine. I'm going to link it down below, or which is this video up here, which side up here. I'm going to link it down below so you can go ahead and actually see how each brush performed. But I already have this collection myself and I like them. So that is the first product. Oh, I'll show you the back. So the back looks like this. So those are the brushes on this side, as you can see. That's how they look like. And in the middle they do have instruction on what you can use them for. So that is that. So that is the first product, and I like the bag too because you can pop your makeup in here and chuck it in your handbag, or you can it doesn't have to be only for brushes. You can keep anything in here, but for mine usually I pack my things that I use like every day that I need. I just pop this in my handbag so that I don't mess up my my handbag with makeup. I have everything all in here, so that is awesome. Yeah, that is the first product. Let's move on to the second one. Now the second one, you guys, you can already tell of course that I do have some of them on right now, and we are talking about lashes. Yes, lashes. I have these beautiful, gorgeous looking lashes, and you guys know how much I love kiss lashes. Yes. So I am going to be giving away, oh, upside down, that's correct, oh, upside down. I'm going to be giving away these two pairs here. I'll show you one by one. So the first one we have is this one here. There we go. So that is the first style I'm going to be giving, in the style Iconic. Now these look so natural, they say they're so natural, so that's the first style, Iconic. And the second one, which I actually have on now, it's called a Fleet. So this is the one I have on at the moment, and they look like this. Just show you. So they look like this, and again they're on the natural side, but the difference between this and the one I showed you is that this one here, you know, it does have a little bit more volume compared to this one here. So if you want, like, you know, a kind of natural kind of look, yeah, we'll go for this one. A little bit more dramatic with volume, then you go with this one here. But yeah, you know, you can decide as to which one you want to wear for the day. So those two would definitely be in this giveaway. Let's move on. Now the next product that I'm going to be giving away, you guys, is of course an eyeshadow palette. Now this one is from Steve Rowland, which looks like this. And this one here, you guys, there's a story behind this. When I was doing my unboxing video, and I said this palette is going to be for the giveaway, and then I got some messages, you know, on my, of course, Instagram DM saying, could you please review the palette? I was like, okay, that I already said it's going to be, you know, I'm going to give it away. So what I did is I went ahead and bought another one which is this one here. So now I have two. Oh, upside down. Now I have two of those, you know. So this one here is of course the one for the giveaway. We're not gonna even, you know, open it, but I'll quickly show you mine, which I've already used. You guys may already have seen my video on this one. So this one here is of course mine. I'll quickly open it and show you how the shades looks like. So those are the colors that comes in this palette. Hold on, I'll just do like this so you can, there we go. So those are the shades that comes in this palette. Of course, they're all gorgeous colors I have used. Definitely, you know, watch my video of me using this palette. I'm going to link that video down below. You can go watch it, but I'll quickly swatch you, swatch a couple shades. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, swatch just a couple shades from here so you can see on how they look like when swatched. Where the other one disappeared, here we go, when swatched. So I have some of them, they are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Yeah, so beautiful. And then even the mattes as well. I'm just going to clean my hand so we can go ahead and swatch the mattes so you can see on how those one looks like. So we have this one here, which works beautifully in your, you know, in your crease, or even the outer corner over here. It works beautifully. Oh, by the way, this shade over here, I have already used it on my eyes. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to swatch the mattes next to that so you can see how they look like. So the matte shades are those one there, right there. So those are matte shades, that's how they look like. And then I'm going to swatch also, wow, that was loud. I'm going to swatch this more like a silver kind of color. I'll swatch it up here. Oh yes, look at that. That is another stunning color. So that's how it looks like. Beautiful. And yeah, so this is a palette that will be of course for the giveaway, and like I said, this is mine. I've used it and I like the shadows on how they perform, and the giveaway is going to be this one here. I'm not going to open it, it's exactly the same, you know, the same palette. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that, or maybe I'll just show you the packaging so you can see. So yeah, that is for the giveaway and that is mine. There you go. All right, so that is that, you guys. Next up, we also have we have another eyeshadow, you guys. Now this one here, you can use it as eyeshadow or you can use it as highlighter. So I went exactly for that one because, you know, sometimes, I mean, you don't have to have, like, you know, like a huge palette in order to actually create an eye look. So the other product is this one here that I have for the giveaway. This one here, highlighter and eyeshadow, which looks like that's the packaging, and this is going to be for the giveaway. It is in the shade what shade is this? Sultry. So that is how the back looks like. Now with this one here, I already have one myself, and you guys may already seen me use it, so I'm going to quickly show you mine. I have them side by side here. So this one is mine. I'll open it and show you. Actually, I'll swatch it. First of all, look at that. Look how stunning this is. So you can use it as eyeshadow or as highlighter. And let's just swatch some right here. Where can I swatch this one? Swatch it. Ooh, ooh, my gosh, you guys. I mean, you already seen me use this one. It's not, it's no, you know, it's not first time, but look at that. Look at this color. Yeah, so that is the eyeshadow, which is this one here. So that is again for the giveaway. That is mine, and you can use this one, like I said, you know. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that I have used a combination of this one here and the one from the palette as well. So I've just took a little bit of this and applied it right in this area here, as you can see, and it looks absolutely stunning. So you can do that, or you can use it right on your, you know, on this area here to highlight, or even here to, you know, to add a bit of highlighter, a bit of glow to the face, and such a beautiful eyeshadow, which I love. So yeah, that will be for the giveaway. Now we have another product here. This one here is of course a combination. It's more like a blush palette, but you can also use it as highlighter, because some of them, you know, some of the shadows in here, they're like shimmer. So I'm talking about this palette here from LVE, which looks like this. That is just the outside. Camera, can we focus please? Thank you very much. Here we go. So this palette here, and this is going to be of course for the giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and just quickly show you how this looks like. And it does have this, you know, protective thing here, which I'll quickly remove. Just hold on to that. But those are how the shadows, the shades looks like. So beautiful, you guys. So gorgeous. This middle one, it's, you know, it's shimmer, and you can use that as highlighter, and it just looks beautiful. You do have different colors in there to choose from, you know, for your blush. So it's amazing in terms of, you know, color selection there, and the fact that you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there. That's really good. So that is of course going to be for the giveaway. Very huge palette, which I'm pretty sure will take somebody a very long time to go through, because I know with my palettes, even the tiny one, it takes me a long time to actually hit the pan. So that will take you a very long time. And of course, the last product we have for this giveaway is going to be a primer, you guys. Now this one here, it's from Revolution Beauty. It is their mattifying matte and fix primer, which of course looks like this. I'll quickly show you. Now this is going to be the one for the giveaway. Camera, there we go. So it's this one here. Now what this does, it helps, you know, with your makeup to last longer. And I do actually love this primer. I do have mine right here. As you can see, mine is almost like really done. It's like you can see it's almost gone there, but yeah, I have mine side by side there, as you can see. And I'll quickly show you the texture of this, because I already, you know, I have mine here. So where can I apply this actually? Hold on, let's cleanse the hand. Let's prepare a space because I really want to show you guys what, you know, what you are getting. In case you don't want any of this product, then you don't have to enter the giveaway, but you know, it's a good idea so you get an idea. So that's a clean hand right there, and I'm going to just, you know, drop some and show you like that. So this one, you just go ahead and, you know, buff it in there, and it does have this interesting texture, and you know, it's almost like a silk kind of finish. But when you have your makeup on top of this, it just sits beautifully, and I really like this primer. And this is not my first bottle, my first tube either. I have, you know, been using this, I've repurchased this, so I do like this primer. And yeah, I hope, you know, it's going to help your makeup last longer. So that is of course into the giveaway. Now I have all these products here that just I'm going to go ahead and, you know, just recap so that we wrap up the video. All right, So the first one, we have of course our makeup brushes in here from Morphe, of course. The second one, we have our eyeshadow from, of course, Rowland, which is this one here. And we also have some kiss lashes, which are these two pairs right here. You can see. So there's one right there. Of course, we also have our blush palette from LVE, which is this one here. You guys have seen it already. See this one here right there. And after that, we of course have our highlighter and eyeshadow, which is this one here. That. And last, we have our, of course, primer from Rowland, which is this one here. So I hope I did not miss anything, because if I showed you something in the first one, then here I don't show up, like, oh, okay, I forgot. But anyway, so you guys, those are the products that I will be giving to one of you. And once again, this giveaway is open from today as you are watching this video, which is of course June 8th. It is Monday, and I'm going to be announcing the winner on the next Monday, which is of course June 15th. So you have a week to enter the giveaway. All the rules will be down below in case I missed anything, but it's very simple. Follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment below just saying hello, hi, how is your day, anything like that. And yeah, that will be pretty much it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck to everybody who is watching this video. If you are interested in entering the giveaway, good luck to everybody. All right, you guys, lots of love. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet done so already, and ring your bell so that we are notified every time I upload a new exciting video. All right, everyone, go have a good one. Take care, and I cannot wait to see you all on my next video. All right, bye for now.